Learn English with us.
English podcast.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learn English with Us podcast.
Hi, everyone, I'm John, and we're excited to have you here. If you want to improve your English, speaking, listening, vocabulary, and grammar skills, this podcast is made just for you.
Subscribe to our channel and join us for our 10-day English learning challenge.
Every day, we'll help you learn English naturally through simple conversations, practical examples, and speaking exercises that you can use in real life.
Today is day 4 of our challenge, and today's topic is one of the most common mistakes English learners make. Today, we're going to learn the difference between there, they are, and there.
These three words sound the same, but they have different meanings and uses. Don't worry. By the end of this lesson, you will understand the difference and use them correctly.
So grab your notebook, repeat after us, and let's start learning. John, do you remember when you first learned about there, they are, and there?
Yes, I do. At first, I was confused because all three words sounded exactly the same. I thought they had the same meaning.
Many English learners have the same problem. These words are called homophones. Homophones are words that have the same pronunciation, but different meanings and spellings.
For example, there, they are, there, they sound the same, but they are used differently. Let's learn them one by one.
John, let's start with our first word. There. Can you explain what there means?
Of course, we use there when we talk about a place or location. It answers the question, where is something?
Can you give us some simple examples?
Sure. For example, the book is there. The bag is over there. The school is there. In these sentences, we are talking about a place.
So, if I ask you, where is my phone? Can I say, my phone is there?
Yes, exactly. Your phone is there. It means your phone is in that place.
Great! Can we use there with is and are?
Yes, we use there is for one thing. There are for more than one thing.
Can you give some examples?
Sure. There is a book on the table. There is a cat in the garden. There are 3 students in the classroom. There are many people at the park.
Excellent. Everyone, repeat after us. There is a problem. There is a new restaurant. There are many books. There are 2 cars outside. Great job. Now let's move to the second word. They are. John, what does they are mean?
They are is a short form of 2 words. They and are. The apostrophe replaces the letter e in are. They are means there.
So, when we use there, are we talking about people or things?
Yes, we use there to describe people, animals, or things. It tells us what they are doing or how they feel.
Can you give us some examples?
Sure, they are happy or they're happy. They are students or they're students. They are learning English or they're learning English.
Let's test it. If I say, they're my friends, what does it mean?
It means they are your friends.
Perfect. What about, they're watching a movie?
It means they are watching a movie.
Great. Everyone, repeat after us. They're ready. They're coming today. They're very kind. They're learning English. Excellent. Now let's learn the third word. There. John, what does there mean?
We use there when something belongs to someone. It shows ownership.
Can you explain with an example?
Of course. This is their house. It means the house belongs to them.
So, if I say, this is their car, what does it mean?
It means the car belongs to them.
Great. Can you give us more examples?
Sure. Their dog is very cute. Their teacher is helpful. Their children are playing outside. Their English is improving.
Let's compare two sentences. They're students. Their books are on the table. What is the difference?
Good question. Their students means they are students, but their books are on the table means the books belong to them.
Excellent explanation. Everyone, repeat after us. Their house is beautiful. Their family is kind. Their ideas are interesting. Their English is getting better. Great work! Now let's practice with a conversation.
Great. Let's imagine we are talking about a school.
Hi, John. Where are your friends?
They're in the classroom.
Oh, is that their classroom?
Yes, it is their classroom.
Is there a teacher inside?
Yes, there is a teacher inside.
What are they doing?
They're studying English.
That's great. I hope their English improves quickly.
Me too.
Now let's look at some common mistakes. Incorrect. They're going to the store.
The correct sentence is, they're going to the store, because it means they are going to the store.
Another mistake. The book is there.
The correct sentence is, the book is there, because we are talking about a location.
One more. Their house is beautiful.
The correct sentence is, their house is beautiful, because the house belongs to them.
Now it's your turn. Choose the correct word. There, they are, or there.
Number 1. Blank's going to the park. Answer, they're going to the park.
Number 2. Blank's dog is very cute. Answer, their dog is very cute, because the dog belongs to them.
Number 3. The keys are over Blank's. Answer, the keys are over there, because we are talking about a place.
Great work. Keep practicing. Now create 3 sentences. 1 sentence with there. 1 sentence with they are. 1 sentence with there. Take your time. Speak clearly.
Remember, learning English takes practice. You don't need to learn everything in one day.
Every new word you learn, every sentence you practice, and every mistake you correct makes you better.
Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning.
Practice a little every day, and your English will improve step by step. Keep learning. Keep practicing. Keep speaking. Congratulations! You have completed day 4 of our 10-day English Learning Challenge.
Today, you learned the difference between there, they are, and there. Now you can use these words more confidently in your English conversations.
If you enjoyed today's lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.
And write 3 sentences in the comments. 1 using there, 1 using they are, 1 using there. We would love to read your answers.
Thank you for learning with us today.
See you in day 5. Keep practicing English every day.
Bye.